I'm Lexi Guccioni. I'm a senior manager in our customer success organization, and I've been here for 8 years.
Hi, my name is Andrew Vijaykumar. I'm a senior manager of solution delivery.
My name is Valiant. I'm within integration support working out of Dublin.
My name is Rachna Srivastava, and I'm a senior director of customer value management.
My favorite part of the program was meeting everybody in person. I'm a 100% remote worker.
The really nice thing about the way HR has designed this is that you're with other people in your same level. So for example, in the Accelerate program, it's as a senior manager, I'm matched with other managers and senior managers. So you're really among your peers.
I think there's a consensus there is not only the content from the presenters, but the networking, the fact that we managed to get to break the wall between teams that we never have the chance to talk to and manage to get to know them and sometimes realize that we have a lot of things in common. We are touching and working on some very similar projects.
We had capstone project, which is solving real company problems. So in our day-to-day job, in our regular work environment, we don't come across those problems. We talk about those among ourselves or among our peers, but we never get to sit down and focus on them and look at all the different data and figure out where the problem is or what could we do about it.
My favorite part about the program was getting to meet a lot of these folks that I've worked with for so many years in real life and learning how to collaborate with them. Also within the project, getting to see how they prioritize different components of that same problem that we share.
I've got a depth of insight, particularly into sales and deal desk that I hadn't before. And just to have empathy as we build I'm part of the learning or the education and enablement team. So to have that depth of knowledge of different roles will really help in the future when we're building role-based training.
The leadership skills that I gained from this program as a new manager, there's a lot of things that I didn't even think about that were kind of exposed in this program, and I'm really appreciative of that.
What I appreciated is the transparency and the oneness of the leadership and the senior management. I thought it had a great value for us to just have them here and hear their feedback. And being here in person, it was invaluable.
It's about the community, about getting together, meeting old friends, making new friends. It brings you to a different level.
I knew Ruth and some of my team members through Slack and emails, but we never were that close, but we were professionally helping each other in many things. But I feel like I now have a family, friends that I can rely on. In fact, since we've been on this project, Ruth and I, we've been reaching out to each other for things that are not even related to this program.